Hello everyone, this is Harilaos Katsikas and Abraham Kyriakidis, and this is our assignment 2 for the course Computer Applications. Well, I will start briefly by explaining how we read the SQL database. Then Abraham will explain the k-mean algorithm and the labeling that we used. And then I will explain the KNN algorithm and I will run the program for you. So, in order to implement the k-mean and the KNN algorithms, the first thing we had to do is to read the database, to read the data we need from the SQL. So, we created an object that will take the input. As an input, we'll take the name of the database, the username, and the password. Well, the data will be introduced through the GUI that I will show you at the end of the video, as I told you. Well, we check here if the connection is valid. Then we go and create all the necessary tables from the database, or otherwise the program will give us an error that our credentials were wrong and we will have to do the process again. Okay, now we will check if the table that we want to read the data from exists with this if statement, and if we do so, we will read all the data that we need from the table in this point of the code. You see, if there is no such database, we'll get an error again, and the program will also terminate. So now for the tables for the measurements from the annual log values that contain the learn set and the test sets of our algorithm, we will create this method, the createStates method. What we do here is that we group all the bus. We'll group all the data in the bus object, and the bus object will contain the voltage, the angle, the time, the sub-ID, and the serial bus number. In the second part of this method here, you can see that we will group all the data of the same state and place them into an array list. What we want to do is that we create a group by state object that takes as an input the ID of the state, which in our case is the different time instances in the SQL tables, and on the array list of buses that contain the 9 buses of the system that correspond to the specific state. And this method returns the list of states that will be used in the k-means algorithm that Abraham will now explain to you.